Hello everybody. In today's video I will show you how to design your own tooltip for any Visual Basic program. First of all, what is a tooltip? Tooltip is the one that displays a message whenever you move the mouse onto a control on the program, on the user interface. The one that comes with the Visual Basic language is not a good one because it stays there for only 7 seconds. So it is a kind of frustrating to the user, but it is very simple to design your own tooltip. So for this demonstration I already made a sample program. As you can see here, it has 4 controls. One is a button, and whenever we click that button it displays hello, how are you, that is in the text box. And when we click on this label which says clear text, it will clear the display in the text box. And the 4th one is also a text box which we are going to use as a tooltip. Before going any further, what we have to do is we have to make some measurements for the designing of the tooltip. For example, for the tooltip to work with the button, we place it beneath the button and note down the location. In this case the location is 236 by 112. We should note it down on a piece of paper and then move it to the label where this is where we are going to place the tooltip. So the location in this case is 64 by 122. Please make a note of that also. And then moving to the text box control, the location is 236 by 245. Once we noted down these ones, I already added the code to save time, and sometimes the computer is slow. I don't want you to get bored. So I will basically review the code with you. If we go to for this button, it basically says hello, how are you. Apart from other changes in the color, it says hello, how are you when we click on the button. And for the clear text label, the code is basically it clears everything that is in the text box, that is displayed in the text box 1.text. And now for coding the tooltip itself, this is the text box 2. Okay, text box 1 is this, that is where the text is displayed. Text box 2 serves as a tooltip for all the 3 controls. We just program the messages differently. Now basically for coding the tooltip, the events are mouse enter and mouse leave. For example, button 1 mouse enter and button 1 mouse leave, and we can place the code anywhere on the form. Now to show you the code for the button 1 mouse enter event, this is the one. And here basically what we have to code is the location. Size is same for all of them, but you have to still mention the size, and then the message. Click here to say hello. That is for the button 1 functionality. And then once button enters, and we have to show the tooltip, so text box 2 dot visible, text box 2, which we are using as a tooltip, and we have to say that is true, visibility is true. And the next thing we have to code for the button 1 is button 1 leave. So they come as pairs. When button 1 leaves, the tooltip box becomes invisible. That is, visibility is false. In the same way, for this one, for the label, the tooltip is coded this way. I will show you here. That is here, label 1, mouse enter. Basically it is saying the location, the size, and the message here is click here to clear text. This clears the text in the text box 1, and then visibility is true when the mouse enters, and then I changed the colors also to make it more interesting, or more interesting to the eyes anyways. And then the next part of the coding is mouse leave. This is a pair, mouse enter and mouse leave. When mouse leaves, the visibility we say is text box true dot visible equals false. Same way for the text. This is the text, okay, that is where text is displayed. This is also a control, so we can provide a tooltip for that. So the coding I did for text box 1 is basically this one, text box 1, mouse enter. Whenever mouse enters the text box 1, the tooltip says danger zone, and the text box 1 says keep out, and I added some colors also. So basically I did this to show you that we can get creative with the tooltip, and we can do a lot of functionality. We can add a lot of functionality, and tooltip is a good addition to any user interface. So let me see if we can try, we will actually see this program in action by going to debug and starting the debug. It normally takes a while, so it is ready now. You can see first when it goes here, click here to say hello, and click here to say hello. When we click, it says hello, and then this one is to clear. Okay, let me show you this way, and we can clear it by clicking here, and this is the tooltip message, click here to clear. That clears it. Now for the text box, keep out, danger zone. Text box says keep out, and tooltip says danger zone. That is about it. It is not very difficult, but you can add a lot of functionality to the tooltip and make the user interface very interesting by adding your own tooltip, because you can customize the tooltip. Otherwise, the one that comes with the Visual Basic program stays there for a very short time, 7 seconds, no matter what you do. You can increase the time, they have some options, but still it stays for a short time only. In this case, it stays as long as the mouse is on the control. Thank you for watching.